Is it unhealthy to hold in a sneeze? And in fact, it actually is unhealthy. The sneeze mechanism is to expel germs and particles out of your nose, and it's actually a very strong reflex that the body has. So with a sneeze, if you hold the sneeze in, you're pushing the pressure back into your head, and in fact, you can cause some injury or trauma to your eardrum by holding in a sneeze. Additionally, you can just put pressure behind your eyes. Some people worry that their eyes will bulge out, but that won't happen. But you can actually damage your eardrums by holding in a sneeze.